folks, I have a really beautiful tenor guitar to show you today. I mean, I know that the inspiration for these was those old Regal made tenor guitars, but we're not doing that anymore. We've really gone somewhere else with these, and I think that's okay. I'm kind of out of words to describe how they sound. They just sound cool, and if it's what you like, great. And if it's not like what you're used to, that's okay too. Because I like it. So the back and sides on this one, there's some beautiful curly walnut from a tree that came down in the Dalles. I got this from this guy's shed after he passed away. And his daughter said he had some cool walnut, and I went and got it. Top is some western red cedar, really kind of light colored western red cedar. Really old, tight grain wood. It's some salvage cedar from, I think it was siding, I don't remember now. The neck is walnut and mahogany. These are scraps from the carpenter ant stash. And then everything else up here is more of that walnut. So these are steel strings, geared tuners. The bridge is walnut and bone, and it's got a little mandolin style tailpiece. And that's how the originals were made, the Regal ones. And this one is tuned CGDA, and that's, you know, they were kind of the original or standard tenor guitar tuning. Yeah, and it's really interesting how these are turning out, because like the sustain on these open strings and stuff is just like long, but the front edge attack is really present, like more banjo. You pick, it really changes the sound. Anyway, enough about all this. I'm just enjoying them right now. This is 886, and it's really cool. I'm really proud of it.